Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the topic triangles and its properties. Introduction. Polygon. Polygon is a simple closed curve formed by the line segments is called a polygon. Triangles a polygon with least number of lines. Triangle. A plane figure formed by three non-parallel line segment is called a triangle. Elements of a triangle. The three sides AB, BC, AC and angle ABC, angle BAC and angle AC be denoted by angle A, B and C angle together is known as six part of our elements of triangle ABC. Types of triangles. We'll see the types of triangles. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle with three congruent equal sides and three equal angles. The marks indicate equality. See the lines in the triangle AB, BC, AC. All the three congruent sides and three equal angles. This is known as equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangles. At least two sides are the same length, means it should be the same length. AC and AB should be of same length, that is known as isosceles triangles. Let's move on to the next. Scalene triangles. Scalene triangle. A triangle that has no congruent equal sides, means no equal sides are there. Nor AB is having equal side, nor AC, nor BC. No sides are equal, that is known as scalene triangles. Now let's move on to the next one. Types of triangles based on its angle. Acute angle triangles. Acute angles have three acute angles. Acute angle triangles have three acute angles. You can see that. Let's move on. Right triangles. Right triangle has only one right angle, that is 90 degree. The box indicates right angle. The down there box given with an arrow that indicates the right angle. So B, you can see there. Obtuse angle triangles. Obtuse triangles have one obtuse angle. Only one obtuse angle is having in an obtuse angle triangle. Properties of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Measures of triangle is 180 degree. So measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. Whichever from angle you do, that is 180 degree. Exterior angle property of triangle. The measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. That is, measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3. Inequality property of triangle. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Third side उसका हमेशा greater होता है, means AB plus BC, that is greater than AC. Then AB plus AC is greater than BC. AC, BC greater than AB. Pythagoras theorem of triangle. In a right angle, the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. You can see there AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Congruence of triangles. Congruent triangles. Congruent means identical. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have equal lengths of sides, equal angles, and equal areas. If placed on top of each other, they would cover each other exactly. They cover each other exactly. The symbol for congruence is, so you can see the symbol there. For two triangles to be congruent identical, the three sides and three angles of one triangle must be equal to the three sides and three angles of the other triangle, that is known as congruent triangles. The following are the tests of congruency. You can see the triangles there. Case 1, three sides of one triangle, three sides of the other triangle. You can see here also. Case 2, here also. The two sides and the included angle of one triangle, two sides and the included angle of one triangle. So both the sides are same, you can see there. Case 3, one side and two angles of one triangle is equal to one side and two angles of one triangle. Case 4, a right angle, the obtuse angle and the other side of the one triangle is equal to a right angle, the hypotenuse and the other side of one triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, the height is equal to the perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex to the base. Area of triangle formula is half into height into base. Thank you.